I am making this Karol Bagh style moonglet recipe. Looks crispy, isn't it? Inside it is just as soft and melt in mouth, so let's begin cooking. First we'll take moong dal. This is 1 cup. Along with this I am also taking 2 tablespoons of urad dal. This is split urad dal. Just wash them a couple of times and soak it for about 4 hours. After 4 hours you can see this is well soaked. Now we will add this with minimum water to a mixer jar and make a paste. Try to add minimum water guys, because we can always add more water later if needed. But if the batter gets wet, then it will be a problem. This is slightly coarse right now, let me run this again. We need a smooth batter with slight texture, it shouldn't be creamy smooth. This is perfect, the batter is ready, let's take it out into a mixing bowl. All the dal is ground guys. Now to flavor it, here I have hing powder which is about 1/4 teaspoon, salt as per taste, and I'm also using a little bit of food color. This is totally optional. Now we have to add air to the batter. For that we have to whisk it for about 4 to 5 minutes minimum. You can use a whisk or a mathni like this one. This makes the moonglet soft and light. The texture becomes melt in mouth guys. Do whip it for a good 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm taking a break. For the moonglet topping, here I've got beetroot juliennes, ginger and coriander leaves, and for the moonglet itself, here I have some sweet corn, capsicum and pyaz. These are all the ingredients that we need along with some butter. Last minute of whipping is left, so let's give it a good whip. You can see the batter is getting fluffy, isn't it? We will add a little water at a time and adjust the consistency. We need a dosa batter kind of consistency. The batter needs to be flowing. Not too thick or thin, this is perfect. Now to make the moonglet, we will take about 2 to 3 ladlefuls of batter in a small bowl, add onion to it, a little bit of capsicum, some corn and about 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. That's it. Now you have to mix it again and ensure the baking soda is well combined with everything. There is a big reason that we are not mixing all the veggies at once with all the batter. I'll explain that later. For now you can see the batter is ready with all the veggies and the soda. Let's make the first moonglet. We'll heat a fry pan on medium-high heat. Add about 2 teaspoons of melted butter. We need just enough butter to cover the bottom of the pan guys. This is 2 teaspoons melted butter. As it is hot, we'll add the batter and try to spread a little if needed. Perfect. We'll top it with the beetroot juliennes, some ginger and coriander leaves. Looks great, isn't it? Keep the flame medium. We have to cook this until the sides are firm. Takes about a minute guys. Here you can see this is looking good. We'll flip this and cook it for another minute. Feels like the bottom side is also done. I mean the top side is also done, so let's flip it. Looks good for now. Now we have to divide this into 4 portions. Normally for double butter they make 6 portions. I'm just making 4 right now because the size is not very big. This looks good, just don't push your spatula or your turner too much. In the center we'll place some more butter and flip it and cook it on medium-high heat until it is golden brown from both the sides. Keep flipping it every now and then. Looks lovely, isn't it? Crisp on the bottom and the sides. We have fresh veggies inside with a soft moong based omelette which just melts in your mouth. You can't go wrong with this recipe guys. Seriously, nothing like it. Let's serve it hot with the chaat chutneys. Here I have green chutney as well as the sweet and sour chutney. So as I'm making the second one, the reason why we are not mixing all the veggies in all the batter at once is because they leave out the moisture in the batter and then the batter gets very thin. Plus, soda works perfect when you add it immediately and mix it and use. We don't want to add the soda and keep it for like 30 minutes. So here is the last one getting done. Looks killer, isn't it? Serve it hot with both the chutneys, green and the red, and trust me, this will be your new favorite recipe. How was the recipe guys? If you enjoyed it, give it a like and share it with your friends. If you did not like it, click the dislike button. I hope to see you soon with one more recipe. That's all for today. Bye, take care, happy cooking.